Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. I had a ton of you request over on Instagram for me to do some more makeup looks and tutorials now that we're home all the time, literally, by government mandate. So I wanted to go ahead and start showing you how to do makeup from home when you only have a small amount of time. And I suggested 10-minute face, and I had several people that said, I want a 5-minute face. So here we go. I will show you how I get this entire face in 5 minutes. So if you want to see how I end up with this, stick around. All right, I'm gonna go as fast as humanly possible, setting my timer for 5 minutes. And this is what I'm gonna do right when I wake up, if I recall. So I use my my mineral powder, any mineral powder. I like the L'Oreal mineral powder. Put it in a little lid and I swoosh to collect all of the powder. And then I dab to just apply. I said I'd do a 10-minute face, and I had several of you guys that were like, I want a 5-minute face. I said, okay. So basically, I'm just gonna put this, dab it all over my face until you have the desired coverage that you want. Some people need more, some people need less. Mine depends on the day and where I'm going and how much my face is rebelling against me, if I'm being honest. What you want to go first is overall coverage. And by the way, this is a flat brush from e.l.f. You want to do overall coverage, and then you can go through and hit trouble spots. Like for me, I have some acne on my face and dark circles always. So I'm using this little brush from Bare Minerals that I've had for like 15 years. And going in just to cover up those dark circles, because that is one of the areas I struggle the most. Anytime people have just naturally, like I have gotten a lot of sleep, I drink a stink ton of water, and I just naturally have dark circles. So people that are like, oh, I don't really suffer from that. I'm like, cool story, man. Because I do. But I get that everyone has different struggles. And so it's just finding out what works best for you. All right, I usually do around my nose because that's usually just constantly red. And then I have this lovely little issue right here that I'm going to try to cover up. Now, if this was not a 5-minute face, I would spend more attention on that because hello. But we're on a time crunch. Next. Park Avenue Princess by Tarte, the bronzer. Bronzer for me is incredibly important because it really gives my face some depth, and so I don't look like a white blob. Because especially on camera or just in general in life, I like my face to have some dimension. So I'll do the bridge of my nose, cheeks, a little bit chin. Sometimes I'll do a little neck just to make it all blend and look good. Again, I would go faster, or I would go less fast, but hello, 5-minute face. So this is the shade Beautiful by Tarte. And I love this blush because it stays on forever. And it gives a very nice rosy glow in pictures and on video commentary, which I love. Okay, if you're a redhead or just have very light lashes and eyebrows like I do, you need a brow pencil. So this is Fenty Beauty in the shade Soft Red. I'm obsessed with Fenty's brow pencils. They have three shades of red that I absolutely love. So first thing I do is I draw the base of my brow on both sides, just so that I kind of know where I'm going. And then I do some swipes up and away so that they look somewhat natural. Now, you can use Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is only $20 if you are struggling to find one that works. But NYX makes one in Auburn. There are a lot of brands that are escaping right now that make red brow pencils. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Hourglass is one. This is the shade Auburn. So this I use, since it's a wedge and the other one is a little pointy pencil, I use the wedge to fill in, and I use the pointy pencil to actually draw out. Okay, 5 minute. So last thing I obviously have to have is mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I hate that name, mascara, but I really love it. And Lash Paradise, which is also pink from L'Oreal, is delightful as well. Now you want to make sure you use a buildable mascara for this if you're only going to use mascara. And you start at the base and then you just wiggle your way up so that you can get enough volume and it makes your lashes stand out on their own. Boom! 5 minute face. Woo! That was fast. Turn that off. All right, y'all. So this you can add like a gloss or a balm or whatever to it, but this is literally a 5 minute. Like I can go out in public like this and I feel great. I mean, with the exception of this, because that's annoying, but whatever. So hopefully this has helped. I'm obviously going to do a whole series of these where it's a full face in in a variety of different times. So if you have 5 minutes, do this. If you have 10 minutes, do this. And then I'll do one on highlight and contour for your videos because we live in the world of teleconference now. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps, and I will see you guys in my next video.